The Speaker recognizes Representative Irwin.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. With your indulgence, I'd like to speak to both bills.
Please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I rise to oppose these two bills, House Bill 4770 and 4771, for a couple of important reasons. First and foremost, the most important reason that I rise to oppose these bills is because it creates a real mismatch in the relationship between victims, their insurance companies, and potential counsel that could help them find their way through their injury. What we're talking about here is trying to restrict individuals' ability to have legal counsel when they get in an accident. And what happens here in the state of Michigan is when someone gets in an accident, oftentimes they are contacted by legal counsel to advise them of their rights and to try to get them to protect their rights in any sort of negotiation with their insurance company. What this bill would...
Members, we do have a colleague attempting to address us. Would ask that you please give him your attention. The Speaker recognizes Representative Irwin.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I assure that this will be both brief and riveting. So what this bill would do is it would prohibit any attorneys from contacting victims of vehicle accidents. But the bill does not contain a corresponding prohibition on insurance companies who are going to be contacting those victims immediately and encouraging them to sign away their rights for potentially far less than they should. And I'm very, very concerned that we would pass a bill here today that would restrict the access that people would have to good quality counsel, but would not restrict these insurance companies or in fact the victims from signing away their rights to insurance companies during this 30-day period when we're trying to prevent any attorneys or their agents from getting to these potential victims. The other issue I have with these two bills very briefly is we're talking about restricting public access to public information. These vehicle accident reports that are generated when individuals get in accidents are public documents owned by the people. And these bills seek to restrict the public's access to those very same documents, and I think that's a dangerous thing to do. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Thank you, Representative.